buyers and sellers, the second quarter real estate market for Arlington condominiums has seen a decrease in inventory, which is good for sellers. However, the impact that that has had on pricing is really very informative. So buyers and sellers, please watch this video towards the end to get the full story. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. And that way you'll get notifications when I publish more of these videos. So what we've seen is inventory. Currently we had 12 homes on the market, 12 condominiums versus 29 this time last year. And that is definitely a big drop. The days on market for those condos also is 38 days compared to 21 last year. So we're seeing condos stay on the market longer. The average list price for those homes is $923,800 versus last year at this time the average price was $740,366. So we have seen a drop of inventory, but we do see those current inventory price higher than last year. And the approximate supply or approximate month supply of inventory currently is about 0.65, but last year around this time is 1.3, which actually that time there was kind of a high number. A balanced market is considered 6. Now for listed, actually homes listed year to date, not year to date, this quarter, excuse me. We've had 61 condos come on the market in Q2 2023 versus last year was 92. And the homes listed in this quarter, the average list price was $826,738 versus $770,811. Now for price changes, we've had 7 homes have price reductions. This quarter, the average original list price for those homes was $1,005,429 versus last year was about the average was $886,311. So there's a sharp increase there in those prices. And for pendings, we've had 63 homes go under agreement versus last year's 66. So that's a very minimal difference between the two, but the average list price of those homes that went under agreement was about $817,130 versus last year was $690,314. So we do see a fairly large increase in the inventory price, the list price. The days to offer was 13 days versus last year was 14. Now for sales, we've seen 55 homes sell this quarter compared to 79 last year. That's quite a drop from the previous year, and homes that sold currently were on the market for about 25 days on average versus 17 days last year. So we're seeing, less inventory and homes staying on the market slightly longer. So as a seller, basically set the expectation with yourself that things may take a little longer. And as buyers, that's actually helpful for you because you get a little bit more choice in inventory. And if I mentioned it, I believe I said the average sale price was $842,632, so $842,632 for the homes that sold this year versus last year's $791,061. Now, interestingly enough, the listed sale price ratio, meaning how high or below a home sold, was 5%. So homes sold are about 5% above their list price. It was about 6 last year. So it's still very promising to see that sellers usually are getting more above the list price. Now for expired listings, we've had 5 homes expire this quarter, meaning they have been taken off the market voluntarily or their listing contract expired. And the number this time last year is about 7, so it's a slight decrease, which is good. That means the market's absorbing those homes. But the average list price for the condos that were taken off the market is about $757,760 versus last year was very elevated. It was $1,302,414. Perhaps pricing was just wrong with those homes to begin with. The days on market, though, meaning the homes currently that expired this quarter are on the market for about 62 days versus about 68 last year. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, please go ahead and put them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. Please like this video and share with your family and friends. Take care. Have a great day.